It's summertime! Let's learn what to wear, what to eat, and all the fun we can do. In summer, the sun is hot. Let's wear light, cool clothes to stay comfy. Wear a hat and cool sunglasses to protect your face and eyes from the sun. T-shirts, shorts, and sandals are perfect for warm summer days. Going swimming? Don't forget your swimsuit, a towel, and sunscreen. Now let's talk about yummy food to eat in summer. Cool off with ice cream or popsicles. Just don't eat too fast. Brain freeze! Juicy fruits like watermelon, oranges, and lemons help keep you cool and healthy. Don't forget to drink lots of water. Stay hydrated all day long. Now, let's talk about activities that we can do. What can we do in summer? So many fun things. Go swimming at the pool or beach. Splash, splash! Play outside with friends. Run, jump, swing, and slide. Too hot outside? Stay cool inside with coloring, painting, reading, or puzzles. Summer is also a good time to learn a new sport. Go camping in the backyard or have a picnic in the park. It's so much fun! Summer is awesome! Wear the right clothes, eat healthy food, and have tons of fun. What's your favorite thing to do in summer?
Hey there! Did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.